Most travelers don't realize this, but there are still places on Earth where $50 a day doesn't just stretch, it buys you luxury. Private beaches, rooftop pools, resort-level meals for the price of a Starbucks run at home. And in this video, we're counting down 10 destinations where your money goes so far. It almost feels illegal. If you're tired of paying $16 for airport coffee and $300 a night for a basic hotel room, these places will change the way you travel forever. Let's start the countdown. 10. Chiang Mai, Thailand. If you've ever wanted a champagne vacation on a beer budget, Chiang Mai is exactly that. This northern Thai city is clean, calm, safe, affordable, and shockingly friendly to older American travelers. You can get a full sit-down restaurant meal for $2, a fresh smoothie for $1, and a Thai massage, a real one, for $6. Hotels? For $25 a night, you're staying somewhere with a pool, a balcony, and daily cleaning. For $50, you're basically in a boutique resort. The best part? Chiang Mai has zero chaos compared to Bangkok. No traffic overwhelm, no scams. Just peaceful temples, night markets, and jungle-side cafes. Your $50 stretches here like nowhere else. 9. Da Nang, Vietnam. If you want beaches without the price tag, Da Nang is the move. This is Vietnam's Miami. If Miami costs 90% less, you get massive white sand beaches, a long, clean boardwalk, incredible seafood restaurants, and some of the best 4-star hotels in Asia, usually under $40 a night. Transportation is cheap, meals are cheap, even taxis are cheap. Your money here feels like it multiplies. What shocks most Americans is the cleanliness and safety. Older travelers love Da Nang because everything is modern and simple to navigate. 8. Oaxaca, Mexico. If you want culture, food, and color, Oaxaca is unbeatable for the price. This region is extremely popular with American travelers because it's safe, relaxed, and insanely affordable. Street tacos for 50 cents. Hotel rooms for $20 to $30, museum entries for $1 to $3, and mezcal tastings for the price of a latte. But here's why Oaxaca feels luxurious. It has world-class cuisine, Michelin-caliber restaurants, boutique hotels with courtyards and rooftop views, all for a fraction of U.S. prices. Your $50 here hits way above its weight class. Number 7. Georgia. And just to be clear, I mean the country, not the state. If you've never heard of Tbilisi, well, you're missing out. This might honestly be Europe's most underrated bargain. Georgia is a dream for older American travelers because it's safe, welcoming, and I mean, extremely cheap. You can get a full Georgian feast for just $5, a glass of wine for only $1, a beautiful guest house room for somewhere between $20 and $30. And the landscapes? Oh, you get snowy mountains, old monasteries, warm sulfur baths, and wine country that, honestly, rivals Italy for about 1/10 of the cost. This is European magic without those European prices. Number 6. Albania. So, the secret is out. Albania might be the last affordable beach destination in Europe. In Saranda and Ksamil, the water actually looks like the Maldives. But instead of paying $900 a night, you pay like $25. Meals? $3 to $6. Local transport is basically pocket change. Hotel rooms are clean, modern, and rarely above $40. Albania is also extremely safe and friendly to U.S. travelers. It's stunning, quiet, and just perfect for anyone who wants that Mediterranean lifestyle, without the Mediterranean bill. Number 5. Bulgaria. If you want European history on a tight budget, Bulgaria totally delivers. Sofia is one of the cheapest capitals in Europe, without feeling run down or unsafe. You get mountain views, thermal mineral baths, huge markets, and hearty meals the size of your head for just $4. Hotel prices are incredibly low, transportation is reliable, and the country is calm, easy to navigate, and honestly, super friendly. It's Europe for 1990s prices. Sri Lanka. Imagine Bali. But, cheaper, cleaner, and without the crowds. That's Sri Lanka. For $50 a day, you can honestly live like royalty. Private drivers, oceanfront hotels, wildlife safaris, luxury trains, and wow, incredible food. Sri Lanka is still recovering from its economic issues, which means prices remain shockingly low. But hey, the tourism infrastructure is strong. Beach lovers go south. Adventure lovers go inland. History lovers go everywhere. This is a bucket list country at budget prices. Number 3. Guatemala. For Americans who don't want a long flight, Guatemala is honestly one of the best deals on earth. Antigua is absolutely stunning, with those cobblestone streets, volcano views, colorful markets, and, oh man, incredible coffee. Hotels cost around $20 to $30, and street food is just $1 or $2. Tours are extremely affordable too. And Lake Atitlan, once you see it, you'll totally understand why travelers end up staying for months. The best part? $50 per day here feels like $200 anywhere else. Number 2, Portugal, but outside Lisbon. Yeah, Lisbon isn't cheap anymore, but the rest of Portugal is still one of Europe's best bargains. Places like Braga, Coimbra, Porto, and, really, the whole northern region offer affordable meals, affordable stays, and affordable transport. Plus, you get incredible weather, amazing wine, and beautiful historic towns. Portugal is also one of the safest countries for older Americans. You've got clean streets, friendly locals, and a relaxed pace. Just avoid the big tourist zones, and your money goes very far. Number 1, the Philippines. If there's one place where $50 feels like luxury, this is it. El Nido, Coron, Siargao, Cebu, Bohol, every island looks like a desktop background. We're talking crystal water, white sand, limestone cliffs, and hidden lagoons. And it's shockingly affordable. Fresh seafood meals for $3, beachfront hotels for $20, scooter rentals for $6, and island hopping tours for $10 to $20. The Philippines is also one of the most welcoming countries on earth. English is widely spoken, people are genuinely friendly, and honestly, older American travelers say they feel safer here than back home. This is luxury travel, without luxury prices. So there you go, 10 destinations where $50 a day feels like you're cheating the system. Which one surprised you the most? Which one would you visit first? If you want more tips on how to stretch your travel budget, and the airport tricks airlines hope you never learn, make sure to subscribe. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.
Let's be honest. Long flights can feel like an airborne torture chamber. You're crammed into a tiny seat, unable to sleep, and arrive feeling completely drained. I used to dread flying for these exact reasons. But after years of perfecting a system, I now step off the plane feeling refreshed and ready to go. In this video, I'm sharing my entire playbook to help you do the same. Creating your own first-class pod in economy starts with the right gear. First, ditch the flimsy U-shaped neck pillow. They offer no real support and can cause more harm than good by pushing your head forward. The real game changer is a travel pillow that attaches to the headrest, stabilizing your head and preventing the dreaded side-to-side slump. Next, a contoured blackout eye mask is non-negotiable. It blocks all light without pressing on your eyelids, signaling to your brain that it's time for restorative sleep. Finally, noise-canceling headphones are essential. Cutting out the constant engine drone and cabin chatter creates a serene bubble, helping you relax on a deeper level. A pro tip: always pack a small Bluetooth adapter for older in-seat entertainment systems. What you wear is just as critical as what you pack. The golden rule is to dress in soft, breathable layers you can easily add or remove. Cabin temperatures can go from stuffy to Arctic cold mid-flight, so a hoodie or zip-up fleece is essential. Opt for travel pants or joggers with a gentle waistband that won't dig into you after hours of sitting. Denim is your enemy on a long-haul flight. For footwear, choose shoes that are easy to slip on and off. as your feet naturally swell at high altitudes. For superior comfort, pack thick socks or rubber-soled slippers to change into once you're settled. This hack might be the best-kept secret in economy travel. An inexpensive foot hammock is a simple sling that hangs from the tray table, creating a suspended footrest. Be aware that some airlines like Delta and Qantas have banned these devices, so check your carrier's policy beforehand. Where permitted, they can be a game changer. Elevating your feet, even by a few inches, improves circulation, helps prevent swelling, and reduces strain on your lower back. It allows you to lift your knees and change positions, turning a cramped seat into a mini recliner. You can't use it during takeoff, landing, or turbulence, but for the main stretch of a long journey, it can make a profound difference. For any flight over 4 hours, compression socks are a non-negotiable part of my uniform. These socks apply gentle, graduated pressure to your legs, significantly reducing swelling, aches, and that heavy leg feeling. More importantly, they are a powerful tool for your health. By promoting better blood flow, they help reduce the risk of a serious condition called deep vein thrombosis, or DVT, which is a blood clot that can form during long periods of immobility. Wearing them is a simple, passive way to mitigate this risk and honestly arrive feeling more energetic. The travel experience begins long before you board. In the United States, look into express security programs like TSA PreCheck and Clear. According to the TSA, about 99% of pre-check passengers wait less than 10 minutes, and you don't have to remove shoes, laptops, or liquids. Many airports worldwide have similar fast-track options you can book in advance. Also, empower yourself with information. Use an app like FlightAware to track your flight status in real time. Airlines don't always update terminal screens immediately, and having this info on your phone means you're not surprised by a last-minute gate change. Never blindly accept the seat the airline assigns you. Use specialized websites to look at the plane's layout before you choose. While Seat Guru hasn't been updated in years, Aerolopa and Seat Maps are the best current resources. Aerolopa is incredibly accurate, using the airline's own internal layout documents to show the precise location of windows and galleys. Decide your priority: a window seat for uninterrupted sleep, or an aisle for the freedom to get up and stretch. Be wary of bulkhead and exit rows. While they offer more legroom, you often lose under-seat storage and may have immovable armrests. Also, avoid seats right next to the galley or lavatories due to the constant traffic and noise. The battle against jet lag starts days before you leave. Begin to gradually shift your sleep schedule by an hour or two toward your destination's time zone. This gives your body a head start in adapting. Once on the plane, immediately set your watch and phone to the destination's time. This is a crucial psychological trick. Force yourself to eat and sleep according to that new time. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, as they both disrupt sleep and contribute to dehydration. When you arrive, stay awake until a reasonable local bedtime and get as much natural sunlight as possible. It's the most powerful cue for resetting your body's internal clock. If you can manage it, traveling with only a carry-on is one of the most liberating changes you can make. It completely eliminates one of the most stressful parts of the journey: the baggage claim. There is zero risk of the airline losing your luggage, which provides incredible peace of mind. The benefits extend beyond just avoiding lost luggage. It forces you to pack smarter and more intentionally. The feeling of pure freedom when you land is unmatched. You can walk straight off the plane, bypass the chaotic baggage hall, and head directly out of the airport.